Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Trigger Kraken X1 earbuds. First, make sure your earbuds are fully charged to avoid interruptions during the process. Then, take both earbuds out of their charging case. It's important that they are powered on and not currently connected to any device for the next steps. Now, let's perform the reset. Find the touch control area on each earbud. You'll need to tap this area 5 times on both earbuds at the same time. Watch for the LED lights. They should blink blue 2 times and then switch off, indicating the reset command has been received. After the reset, put both earbuds back into their charging case. Close the lid for a brief moment, about 1 to 2 seconds. When you open the case again, your earbuds should automatically power on and enter pairing mode. Now, simply go to your device's Bluetooth settings and select Trigger Kraken X1 to reconnect them. If you encounter any issues after the reset, don't worry. First, try repeating the entire reset process. Also, double-check that your device's Bluetooth is turned on and visible. Sometimes, a simple restart of your connected device can also resolve minor connectivity problems. If problems persist, consult the user manual for more specific guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.